You guys gotta stop putting Pro 85. Now I got all this competition every time we go to the hill. All right, here we go for a quick rip. We're gonna try to get some shots of these guys, get close to the side of them. Here we go. And look at Mike just throwing down 3 wheels constantly on this thing. We found these guys standing on top of the hill. We came over to help them out. Sorry, footage kind of sucks because it was getting really dark, so it made it really grainy trying to lighten this thing up.
Yeah, that's what he was saying. It wasn't going forward. It only would go backwards.
Oh.
Yeah, it won't go in high.
Yeah, just put it in low.
Put it in low. Put it in low. Get that or put it right here. Put it in low and I'll drive it right out of here. Watch.
Who's the shovel?
We really wanted to come check this out.
Yeah.
Yeah, hang on. Just let him pull you around and help you go forward. Then you can drive it out. Yeah, come down here. Yeah, then get it going. Both of you stay going and go up and around.
Get up there and get turned around and get stopped.
Same way, just loop around?
Yeah.
Just get up there and go wide and just pull it. Go right back where you came from. Right? Huh? See it low?
Yeah, once you guys get going, don't stop. I'd go straight up and loop around.
Hey, burgers tonight? Okay, stop. Hey, you ready? Get ready to go. Give it a little bit of throttle. Little bit.
Little bit of throttle. You gotta yell it. He can't hear probably.
Nope. Nope. We're gonna have to send you that way and pull him out. Have him go that way and pull him out.
Yeah. Back up a little more.
Come this way so you're not going on the hill right out of
Yeah, you want to head that way.
Yeah, maybe go right.
Where's the half digger?
What's up there?
Nothing?
Take it straight up then. Hi. Let's go straight this way? Yeah,
If
go straight
you
up.
can. I think you're gonna have to go that way. Get a car out of that hole.
All right, all the way, go. There you go.
Oh, got it out.
At least it's out. Whoa. Did it clap out both songs?
Good job. You did it. You got him out.
How much air you have? Hey, they need to go down here. They know, yeah, a lot more up. That one's good. So that one's clamped. I don't even know if he'll be able to turn it.
I don't think so. You made the highlight reel. Klamath.
Yeah, I did.
Dallin himself. He's doing all the work. He's getting this car unstuck.
If it wasn't for me, nothing would happen.
Nothing ever.
Nothing. The best. Ever.
Great. Yeah. Awesome.
Look at me.
Yeah. He's
Just
holding
look at me.
letting air out of the tire. It's an amazing art.
Takes a lot of practice.
You've done it a lot today.
Takes time.
Done it a lot today, haven't you?
Yeah. It's in the first car.
How many pounds?
7. 7. 4.
5 and 1. 4.
6.
6. That's the magic number.
I think 7 did it. I was actually shocked. We took mine down to 20. I was shocked how well that made
It
it.
did pretty good. You go from 60,
6 is
65 or whatever you
60
had.
to
20
20
is a lot.
made a huge difference. If we would have done 6, it would have helped, but I didn't need it.
Right. But if you go to 6, you could drive all the way, take that trailer all the way to Swing Set, dude.
Or the old.
Yeah.
Pick up whatever car we need.
Yeah.
You want me to ride the back, get some weight on it?
Tensors, dude.
My fingers hurt.
Tensors.
Hey, you guys watch?
We both had them. We both had these same tires, me and him.
I don't like them.
No, they suck, dude.
Yeah. I bought them just because I was right before I came out for Halloween.
Yeah.
And they were on sale, and then I tried them out, and I was like, yeah, I hate them.
They suck. I got Sand Tires Unlimited now. Much better.
Are they?
The world's a better place. Yeah.
Just back up into that hill. Go halfway up that hill. Go up the hill. Keep going. Ayo! Oh. See, Do what he did. Go, 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 go. You gotta drive it. Drive it.
Air pressure does everything, I'm telling you.
Turn down. Turn down. Where's he going?
I don't know. He's going doing it.
He's going, doing it. He's heading to Oles. He's coming.
There he comes.
Where's he going? Same place.
He's just showing off now.
Yeah.
Just drive it back. What trailer?
Who needs a trailer?
There you go.
Appreciate it, guys.
Air pressure.
About air pressure.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it, guys. Yeah, no problem.